Hello everyone. Welcome to PlanArty's channel. Thank you for joining our activities tutorial. First of all, you have to define your new activity. From the dashboard, access the registry and select Tracking Activities. Click the Add Tracking Activity button and write down the name. Then, set the color for it and save the activity. That's it. Your newly defined activity appears in the list and you can include it in any of the program's features. For example, you can start a new time tracking on this activity. For this, go on the New Tracking. Choose from the list your project and also the activity you are starting to carry out. Then fill in the details. Continue with the additional data. Select this option if you want this to be always expanded. Choose the client from the list. And click Start. Instantly this track will appear as currently on. If necessary, you can clone it, edit its description, or the whole track. Also, you can include this activity in your planning. Access the New To-Do item button. Or simply plan directly on the calendar, to make sure you don't overlap your activities. Write down the description. The time interval is already completed because you've selected it from the calendar. Now, select the project, the activity, and then your client. Press Save. Now you've got your activity on your to-do list, and also displayed on your calendar. Include your activities for which you have not set an exact date in someday tasks. Access this functionality from the new Someday Task button, or from the menu, by going on Planning, then Someday Tasks, and press the new Someday Task button. Write down the activity you want to do and estimate the time you'll need. Select the project, the activity, and the client from the lists. Then save it. When you decide to include it in your program, all you have to do is set the start date and time. This way, your task will move from Someday Tasks to To-Do List. It will also be instantly displayed on your calendar. To see your activities and all their time tracking details, go to the Detailed list. Access this functionality from the menu, by selecting from Time Tracking the Detailed list. Select the time interval and the activity for which you want to see the data. In this list, you have several options to edit the recorded information. Also, you can customize the display mode according to your needs. To check the total hours and billing amount for your activities, use the grouped list. This list is accessible from the menu and the information is presented very concisely. For example, you can see exactly how much time you spent last month on a certain activity. Here, at a glance, you can see your billable hours and amounts. Also, you can group the information as you need it. Tracking your activities in PlanArty is simple and efficient. Thank you for watching the PlanArty activities tutorial.